Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create organizational units using the command prompt in Windows Server 2025. This is an effective method that every IT administrator should know to use when needed. Whether you're managing a small environment or deploying a large-scale setup, automating the creation of organizational units can boost your productivity, reduce human error, and help you unify your Active Directory structure efficiently. This method is especially useful during initial domain setups or large restructuring projects. When you open Active Directory Users and Computers console, here you can create organizational units in the known way, which is by right-clicking on the domain name, then clicking on New, and from the submenu you will select an organizational unit. This is the most common, familiar, and easiest method for everyone, but you can also create an organizational unit using the command line using just one line. This method will be useful if you want to create more than one organizational unit at once. Okay, let's get started. Open the command prompt window as an administrator. Running as an administrator is crucial to ensuring the necessary privileges to make Active Directory changes. I will use the DSADD command, which is used to add directory service objects. Next, enter the syntax for the command that appears on the screen, replacing OUName with the name of the organizational unit you want to create. The DC is the name of your domain controller. For example, on my server, the domain name is OK25. You replace this name with your domain name. After entering the domain name, enter the DC for your actual domain components and press Enter. Once the command is executed, a message will appear indicating that it was successful. An organizational unit has been created with the name you entered in the command. Open the Active Directory Users and Computers console, and you should find a new OU named HR. The OU has already been created. Okay, let's assume you want to create more than one organizational unit at once. This is what we'll learn step by step. Open a new text file, right-click on any empty space on the desktop. Select New, and from the submenu, select Text Document. All you have to do now is enter the same command you entered to create an organizational unit, but with changing the name of the organizational unit, and repeat the same command on a new line with entering another organizational unit. And then write all the organizational units you want to create. Write each command on a new line. After you've finished entering the commands for all the organizational units you want to create, save the statements as a batch file. Click the File tab and select Save As. Then save the file to the location you want with the name you want, and give it a descriptive name for the batch file with the .bat extension. After you've finished creating the batch file that will create the organizational units, right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. All organizational units will be created immediately. Then open the Active Directory Users and Computers console again to verify that the organizational units that we created through the batch file were created immediately. You should find all the organizational units added to your Active Directory. That's all for today's video. Creating organizational units via the command line is a fast and scalable method that helps system administrators in restructuring. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Active Directory and Windows Server tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.